Hey, you're awesome on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to unbox a brand new combo hair clipper and a hair trimmer from Suprent. This is it, the Storm Gray. On this box, no specs of this hair clipper and a hair trimmer. Rating on the body, nothing. The clipper is a very fast clipper. I guess got around 8,000 RPMs or 8,500 RPMs. I'm gonna do RPM test. So the trimmer, I guess maybe the same, but we're gonna make an RPM test about, if maybe it's true or not, because on the body it's not rating the specs, So, but I guess but it got 2,500 milliamp battery, Charging time and run time, I don't really know. So when I know about it, I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen, And you can buy this hair clipper from Suprent website and Amazon. I guess it's on Amazon right now. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon right now also. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, Amazon and their website. So if you want to buy from their website, you can get it more cheaper because I got a discount code ADO25, so you get 25% off. Yeah, 25% off. And this combo is really cheap, plus 25% off, then it's more cheaper. So now just take a look. So now let's open it up. So inside looks like this. So these are the accessories. It comes with I don't know what this is, Beyond Master, Okay. And the manual, as you can see, comes with oil, a decent one, which is good. I really like this type. So when it's finished, you can refill it again. Okay, a brush, a good one, and 2 charging cable. It's a USB-C, as you can see, and okay, a charging dock. So both of them are the same, I guess. And this one can no, I don't think it fits. Okay, this one doesn't fit. Okay, but the clipper, I guess it fits. Yeah, the clipper fits, as you can see. Yeah, and these are the guide combs. Okay, and this one is a blade protector and a zero gapping tool, which is good. I didn't try it, but I guess it's a good one. So you just put the blade like this and unscrew the 2 screws here, so you adjust your blade. And this trimmer, you can adjust it. It's zero gappable, which is good. Okay, and for the clipper, comes with a magnetic guard, single magnet, as you can see. So this is the hair clipper. 2 charging ports, USB-C and the normal charging port. And I got 5 clicks, a really good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Comes with a ceramic cutter blade, I guess, and a blue steel blade, which is good with these grooves at the back. Okay, now sound check for a moment. So now sound check. Got 2 speeds, and the trimmer also got 2 speeds. First speed and the second one. Okay, so I don't know if maybe both of them got the same 2500 milliamp battery, but I know this one should have that. So this one I don't really know. So that's it for the accessories, and oh, as you can see, it's a really strong magnet, so it won't fall, which is good. This is good for the hair trimmer. Okay.